Use simple English words first. Hello friends, this is Aditi and you are watching Prima English. Today we'll learn why using simple words is the best way to develop spoken English. Many people think they must use big and difficult words to sound smart in English. But that is not true. The best speakers in the world use simple and clear English words. For example, instead of saying commence, you can simply say start. Instead of saying terminate, you can say end. Instead of saying purchase, you can say buy. These simple words are easy to remember, easy to pronounce, and everybody understands them. When you use difficult words, two problems happen. First, you get stuck trying to remember them. Second, your listener may not understand you. That will make communication weak. The goal of language is not to show off but to connect. So my advice is to start speaking English with easy and daily words. Talk about what you eat, what you see, what you do slowly. Friends, if you want to improve fast, try this. Take 5 simple words every day and use them in sentences. For example, eat, run, sleep, read, play. Make 2 to 3 sentences with each word. That way, you'll never forget them. Remember, even great speakers like Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela used very simple words in English. The world understood them clearly. So friends, keep your English simple and powerful. We'll meet in the next video with another tip. Till then, keep smiling and bye from Aditi.